Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron a shirt perfectly. Lay the shirt flat and set your iron to the label temperature. Fill the iron with water if you will use steam and heat the board. Smooth sleeves and seams with your hand to guide fabric. Work from collar to cuffs to body in a systematic order to avoid re-wrinkling and save time. Begin with structured parts first: collar, cuffs, and yoke. Use short, steady strokes and avoid lingering in one spot to protect fibers. For sleeves, roll a towel inside or use the sleeve board to press a neat crease or keep them smooth without a crease. Check both sides of heavy fabrics. Flip the shirt when needed to release trapped creases and maintain. When tackling tough wrinkles, use targeted steam bursts and the iron tip to reach narrow seams. Protect delicate fabrics with a thin cloth and choose the low setting to prevent shine. Always hang shirts right away, fastening the top button to keep the collar in shape. For travel, roll shirts gently or use packing folders to limit creases rather than relying on last-minute ironing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.